What's up, everybody? It's Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Got another great home tour for you here. We are in Las Vegas on the west side in an area we like to call Lone Mountain. Well known for lots of single-story homes sitting on half-acre lots with RV parking and whatnot. So this house we're going to check out today, let me tell you about it. We got 2,504 square feet under the primary roof right there. We have a detached detached garage right there, which is 1,400 square feet. You can see the gate for the RV there. There's an additional 224 square feet of office space that is inside that garage. And we are sitting on right at 1 acre of land. So let me show you this neighborhood. It's a small community of about, what do we got, a dozen or so homes in here. And they're all very similar. So to kind of show you around. Got the beautiful west side, Summerlin Mountain Range over there. A little bit of weather rolling in today. Hey, always please like, subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Comment below, let us know what you like, what you don't like. If there's any communities you'd like me to show you specifically, we will do videos for you. And if you have any questions about the buying or selling process, that's all of my contact information. So I'm not going to pass you off to AI or someone else. You're going to talk to me. We can help you out. Visit our website. Have a conversation. We'll do whatever we need to do to craft a plan that's just for you. So let's go ahead inside. Like I said, 3-bedroom. There's a 3-car garage, the additional detached garage, single story, half acre. There's a pool as well. And let's go check it out. All right, so we're gonna come into the front house right here. I'm just gonna walk down into the main part of the house. Then we're gonna head up the secondary bedrooms, the primary bedroom, and the kitchen area, dining room area, garage, laundry room, and then we'll head outside. So we have 10-foot ceilings in this house, 9-foot doorways. And here we go. Here's the first secondary bedroom. So nice high doorways, 9-foot entryways, 10-foot ceilings. It's a nice big room. Got a lot of air volume in here with these big ceilings. We do have a ceramic tile throughout the entire house. It's 12 by 24. Walk-in closets. And all of the secondary bedrooms, so that's nice. Here we have a Jack and Jill bathroom. That's what we call it. So we got 2 sinks. We got a sink right there. And we have another sink right there. And we have a full shower and tub with the same granite slab inside the bathroom that you will see throughout the house. Slightly different pattern on it. And then here's the entrance into the other secondary bedroom. You can see we have shutters all throughout the house on every window. These ones are dual, so they got the tops and the bottoms. The finish on the wall in this house is what we call skip trowel. So it's just, actually the roof is skip trowel, and we have orange peel on the wall there. So another garage, or excuse me, closet. Here we do have a linen closet right here. Take a look, a little cloak closet. And right off, so here's our front door to the right. Pan slowly this way. So we have a washroom right here. So if your guests are over, this is where the washroom would be that they would use. Pretty standard, pretty normal little washroom. Hello. And then as we come back out to the main part of the room, you're going to have the primary bedroom off to the left with some additional storage right here. That's just the back side. This is more of a traditional linen closet. And this is the entryway into the primary. So let's go take a look. 2 windows. Got your own slider right here. Big room. Got a couple can lights in the ceiling. That's nice. So you get some reading lights at night. A ceiling fan. And just, like I said, a nice big room. Over here we have the bathroom. So we have 2 closets, one on the left, one on the right. So that way nobody's got to fight over closet space, right? Let's kind of pan around in here. Give you the other one over here. here we have our bathroom. So we have 2 sinks. Same, you're gonna see the matching granite all throughout this house. So this is the toilets right here. So the toilet behind the door, that's what it is. Big sheet mirror, got a couple lights right there. There you got your tub. Nice windows. Walk-in shower. All right, let's go to the kitchen, living room area. So it's just one concept room. So you have your living room area up to your left, you have your formal dining area, you have your kitchen area over there. Do have some additional storage right here, so that's nice. Nice cabinetry. I'm just kind of pan around. Give you the little TV area over here. This could be, that's not a permanent fireplace, so you could do whatever you want. All that furniture comes off that wall, so it would essentially just be a blank wall. Do whatever you need back there. Entertainment centers, whatnot. You have this clamshell style door, so they slide open, slide open. There's your nice dining room table area. Big center island. It's enough to have, we got 3 bar stools right there. You could probably fit 4 easily if you wanted to. Nice big sink. Huge, huge built-in fridge. So, this is really big. It's built by Icon. So, massive fridge. That's the freezer side. And then there's your fridge side. So, really big. A lot of storage space in there. You got your gas cooktop right there with 5 burners. You got your pot filler. There's your little hood. Kind of back up and pan here. Got your dishwasher right there. So, it's kind of give you a nice purview looking out. Do have a couple of can drops right here. So, see these 2 little, or 3 pucks right there? So, those are all pre-wired and pre-mounts inside of those. So, if you wanted to put a couple pendant lights coming down here in the kitchen, you easily could do that. We do have 1 oven, 1 microwave. Nice decent sized walk-in pantry with some M&Ms, which I love. And we got this really big laundry room. It's got a wet sink in it. Matching cabinets throughout. Washer dryer. Oh, you know, one thing I wanted to do is just give you all a little bit more close up. Sometimes I get some questions asked about the materials and what they kind of look like up close. So here's just kind of a little bit of a closer look. You can see there's kind of some different patterns through here, a little bit closer, then it gets a little spread out, some more bold pieces, and then a little areas where it's not quite as dominant by some of the other colors. So that's your granite throughout the house. All right, so that is the laundry room. We've seen it. Let's pop into the 3-car garage. So it's a nice large 3-car garage with a sweet Camaro SS in it. So nice high ceilings if you want to have a gym or something like that in the garage. You got a little extra cutback right here. Some additional storage space. Kind of give you the full pan there. So as you can see, there's a full-size truck in here, quad cab, a sedan, and then a beautiful, beautiful classic American muscle car in here. Hot water heater over here. Now let's pop out this door right here into the backyard. So here we have our, pan out to the front of the house. So you have your own little paver stone driveway right there for the RV parking. You have a 12-foot, actually that might be 14, I think it's 12-foot. 12-foot gate leading behind the wall right here. Now, important to note, so we have concrete pad right here, parking, right? Do have a little cutback over here towards the side of the house. This is probably another 12 or so feet wide over there, 10, 12 feet wide, something like that. Now, the distance from this block wall to the side of that house is 25 feet. So that's important. If you're gonna park a vehicle, a trailer, something like that, so you got 25 feet from wall to house, or not house, but garage. Now, the entrance to this garage is 12 feet wide. The width on the inside of this is 28.5 feet wide, and it's 40 feet deep. And our max ceiling height is 20 feet. So if you wanted to put a car lift in here, you could easily put a car lift in here, have it all the way up. Behind this little wall area right here, that is the additional 225 feet of office space. So you could utilize that, or if you wanted to remove that and have max garage space, you could do that as well. So like I said, it's a 12-foot opening to get in there, 15-foot high garage door, 28.5 feet wide, and it is 40 feet deep right here where you see the Nova sitting right there. This could be, there's an estimate already out to finish off this garage, insulate it with an air conditioning unit. It's about $25,000. So for $25,000, you could finish off the insulation and have it fully climate controlled. Kind of pan out, looking out. So, and you got these great lights in here. So you have ample light working at night. And we're gonna hit the office, see some more of the backyard, and we're gonna check out that pool on the other side of the house too. So, this is the entrance. So, and you can see if this is matched to the house. You live in a community where there's an HOA, it's required. So it looks like it came from the builder, although it was built after the fact. Kind of pan out here, show you the backyard. Got this nice pergola. Got a mobile outdoor kitchen right there. There's a pizza oven, there's a barbecue. There's a hot tub under the actual patio area itself, which came with the house. Oh, here's our Pooch. What's up, Pooch? That's Dutch. All right, Dutch, we'll see you later, buddy. And here's the office. So like I said, 224 square feet. We have a little split in here, so you got a little bit of, we have climate controlled in here. Tile on the floor, a nice little office. Like I said, you could keep this, retain it, or if you wanted to use the entirety of the garage, this wouldn't be that much to remove it. So, all right. So nice backyard. Now we have lots of trees back here. There's walnut, there's almond, there's pomegranate, there's peach, there's, I believe there's blood orange, there's 2 different type of lemon trees, and I'm probably missing a couple too. Nice little fireplace right there. That behind us, let's just talk about it. So that's someone's private garage. So that is also a car collector, but it's not a commercial plaza. It's a private residence, private property, and that is their car garage. So really big. I think you can put about 40 vehicles in there. So quite the garage. So here we have our pool. It's not the biggest pool in the world, but if you want to hop in and cool off and you know, have a drink and just kind of cool off, you totally can. It's about It's about 15 feet long. About 15 feet long. It looks like about 10, 12 feet wide. So like I said, it's bigger than it actually looks in the listing photos. So, and of course, if you wanted to enlarge this pool area, if you're like, nah, I want a big pool, you have ample room right here on the side of the house to enlarge that pool. So I think we've covered everything here. Beautiful area around here. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment below. Again, if you're interested in this house, get in touch with me. All my information's in the description. If you'd like to know what it's like or what you need to do to buy or sell a house, happy to have that consultation with you. You'll talk with me. And thanks again. You have a great day.